The majority of our leads actually still come through Google search, probably about 80%. But in the last couple of months, we've had leads from Reddit, we've had them from our cars, we've had them from my speaking engagements, from LinkedIn. And so it's really important to understand that your audience is more fragmented now than ever. And while search is still the main source, certainly for us, you have to think more holistically in your marketing strategy. I really dislike when people use AI and just put the content out verbatim. It's like a bad covers band. You'll be the same as everyone else, and who wants to be the same as everybody else? What I would advise is you use AI as a tool, converse with it and use it to ideate and then create unique content that has authenticity and that actually reflects you and your brand.